Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make lentil and potato soup. Sort 1 cup lentils and peel 2 medium potatoes, cutting them into 1-inch cubes. Heat 2 tablespoons oil, sauté chopped onion and garlic until soft, then add lentils, potatoes, 4 cups broth, a bay leaf and seasoning. Simmer until tender, taste and adjust seasoning, then garnish with fresh parsley before serving. Gather 1 cup dried lentils, 2 medium potatoes, 1 onion, 2 garlic cloves, 4 cups vegetable broth, 2 tablespoons oil and seasonings. Choose red or green lentils for texture. Red will break down more. Wash lentils and dice potatoes uniformly for even cooking. Use low-sodium broth to control salt and add a bay leaf or thyme for depth. Prepare garnishes like chopped parsley or a squeeze of lemon. Please subscribe and like if you are finding this video helpful. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which handles crumbs and pet hair while you simmer soup. Voice control makes multitasking easier. This little helper saves time so you can focus on stirring and tasting. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. Sauté onion and garlic in 2 tablespoons oil until translucent, about 5 minutes. Add lentils, potatoes, broth, bay leaf, and bring to a boil, then reduce to a simmer. Cook uncovered 20-25 minutes until lentils and potatoes are soft. Remove the bay leaf and use an immersion blender for partial blending, leaving some texture, or fully puree for a creamy soup. Finish with salt, pepper, and a splash of lemon and serve hot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.